Hi guys, good morning. Dito kami sa airport ng 3 AM ng umaga. 3 AM. Punta kami ng Manila guys. Sarado pa guys. Super aga namin. Yan nakikita nyo. 3 o'clock ng morning. Coffee kami dito. If may open na ba? I think it's still closed. Dito na kami sa loob ng airport guys. It's a beautiful year. Magkakapi lang kami guys. So, dahil medyo